Dhyana illa ida illa.
Ena next one. Nikku pidaykulo undara antate.
Itti ame decimal kolle. Retna illa adu beida.
Oh ande. Nikku pidaykulo nama school start unti. Ande wow nice. Very nice.
Mudai banudu suryanarande dinnana.
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರೆಗಳು ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ದಿಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರೆಸತ್ತಿದ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬದ ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿಯಾಟಲ್ ತುಳುವೆರ್ನ ಕುಲ್ಮಲ್ದನ ಒಂಜಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ನಲಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ performed during the last Bisu Parba. Bisu Parba is the new year as per Tulu calendar.
Time ittana last dora play malpuga Bhaskar now.
Ande?
Andand. That's my favorite song.
Okay. Shreevalli, do you want to say anything about our Bisu Parba coming?
Coming Bisu Parba, yes. We have our coming Bisu Parba on 21st April. That is on Saturday.
Sunday.
Any of you, I think all of you will be there because our this class will be ending in April, I think. So we will be having our closing ceremony during that time, Bisu Parba. So I think all of you should do something. You should all participate in some event so we can play during that Bisu Parba. Okay, all of you should do something in Tulu. Okay, everyone should if it is possible, practice now itself. If you have any idea, just let us know. You can do something in Tulu. Yeah, maybe 15 minutes to 20 minutes we can have our students performance. Is that okay, Bhaskarana?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes.
You can try either dance or
either dance or skit or in Tulu. That should be nice if you do it in Tulu. Yeah. Because also, you can show your whatever you have learned here, you can show that you did it. Because you are doing really good. I am watching everyone's video. I watched everyone's video of these our assignments. Really nice. And those who are not doing your assignment, please do the assignments. It will help you. Everyday practice will help you a lot. Even if you are doing wrong, even if you are saying wrong, it's okay. It's nothing wrong. Saying wrong is nothing wrong. Okay, you can then you will improve talking. Every day if you talk little, even if one word, one sentence, it will be really helpful in learning. Then later when some words you will come across, some words in your day-to-day life. So you will understand what they are saying. Then you will try to talk. Yeah, it will be helpful. I have received some complaints that it is too much this assignment. It is difficult for us, but we didn't do much. I don't think I have given you a lot, but it is all repetition, right? Whatever I gave is a repetition, and one or two sentences I have added. It will help you a lot. It might be, I know, I understand, because there are a lot of kids, small kids are here. It might be little difficult, but whatever we give to kids, they catch it so easily. We feel like it might be difficult, but kids don't feel like it is difficult. I see sometimes these Sia and Siti, they are very youngest. It is so cute. If you get a chance, watch everyone's video and you can see how they are improving. I can see much improvement in these 2-3 weeks, right? They have improved a lot, and it is so nice to see. They are so adorable. I am enjoying it. I think you guys also enjoy. If you guys are having a time, just go and see the videos which they are submitting, and you can see the improvements there. So you are all doing really good. Keep practicing. Even if there is no assignment, keep practicing at home. Okay.
No.
Okay. Yeah. So, like Shreevalli ma'am told, if you have any talent with you, like an instrument, or if you're a great artist, like you can draw, sketch something, then you can make a collection and put some background sound and present those kind of things. Okay. And also we are going to make a video of all the assignments, and then we'll share it with you so that you can listen to your voice and others' voice and what they're doing, how they're practicing. Okay. So okay, can you all unmute the video? I think let's start so that we will see everybody's face. Okay. Nice to see all young, energetic, cute faces. Thank you. And just to make sure that you get a like associate your face to the name. This is important.
One minute, Bhaskar. Sam, do you see any improvements? Are you excelling?
Yes, I feel like the repetition is actually helping me. I like the repetition in homework, so that helps.
That's good. Okay. That is what I wanted to know. Yes.
Yeah, because we have a wide range of age group, so we thought this is the best way to do. We thought initially do some hardcore grammar, and then with that foundation, you can learn anything in any language. So, but that's not going to work in this case. So we are just trying to mix and match both, and making the practice as well as grammar, so that it will help. Okay. So is my voice audible? Is that okay?
Yes.
Good. You can just say the thumbs up. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Today we have a young and energetic and new teacher called Dhyana Chettiar. Okay, she's helping me today. She's a high school student, and she also attended our Tulu Lipi learning class, and she also wrote a story in that, and she knows Tulu Lipi, Tulu script also. So
Hello.
okay, so she will also be part of today's class. She will also talk few things about today's class. Okay, so let me share my screen now. Okay. Okay. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Under. Tojondate screen tojondate. Okay. Today it's fourth class. Ini undu nalne pata. Today this is the fourth class. Ini undu nalne pata. Okay.
How many classes are there?
Class, we have 10 classes. Okay, so just going over today's syllabus, today's material, what you're studying. Today, we are going to study about human body parts, clothes, and weather, if we get a time, weather and colors, but most likely we'll be doing only body parts and clothes. Okay, so they are related, so we'll do that. So ini nama Namana. Juvada Angolena Bokka Nama Galasuna Tuttaitada Bagge Pata Kenka. Pata Tuka. Okay, so that's in Tulu.
Class.
So basically, we are going to study about the body parts and the clothes. Okay, so this is general information. I think there are some new kids joining today. So if you need, all the information is in our WhatsApp group in its description. So you can just go and click the link on that. And if you need any help, please let us know. Okay, so the previous class recording are here. They're all in YouTube. And you can search All America Tulu Association, and then you will, it will give the list Bale Tulu Paatherga. Then you can click on the link with whatever you want to watch. Okay. Okay. Then, yeah, as I mentioned, this is our class. So we made small changes from here. Okay. Yeah, we made some small changes to the syllabus, the course content, so that it will cater for all the age group. Include ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪನ ವಿಷಯಲನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂತೆ ಅಂಚಿಂಚು ಮಲ್ತ ದಯಪಂಡ ನಮ್ಮಡ ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಪ್ರಾಯದ ಜೋಕುಲು ಉಳ್ಳೇರು. So we have different range age group students are here. Okay. 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 Let's start with the. I think we already, Shreevalli, we already talked about our last class, this thing, right? General opinion. So
Yes.
was there anything that was difficult in last week's homework? Okay, that's good.
No, not really.
Ij means no. Okay. Ij. Okay. Ij. Okay. So because I'm sharing, I will not be able to see the faces, but Shreevalli and Ranjani or Reshma, you can just keep an eye on the kids if they have any.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we always cover a small piece for 1 minute about know your history, like know some history about Tulu Nadu. Okay. Today's question is who is the Tulu Nadu queen who defeated the Portuguese? Tulu Nadu the Rani Portuguese renu sopainar year. Karisarti niklu Tulu Nadu the ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಲ್ತನ ಒಂಜಿ ರಾಜವಂಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತರ ಅವು ಅಲೂಪ ಡೈನೆಸ್ಟಿ, ಅಲೂಪ ವಂಶ. Last time you had information about Alupa dynasty. Okay, so this is anybody irregular gottundi? Do any of you know? Okay, let me give some check. Yeah.
Abukayani.
Yes. Awesome. Okay. Yes. So thank you. So this is a artist, his imagination of Rani Abakka, and she is on her port with the cannons, then ships and all those things. So yeah, now you know that's Rani Abakka, and she belongs to Chauta dynasty, Rani Abakka Chauta. Okay, and she was ruling her country, or what do you call it, is kingdom. Them from place called Ullal, and it is very this place Ullal is very close to Mangalore, and she was there at the last part of the 16th century. Yeah, as I said, she belonged to Chauta dynasty. she is one of the very famous queen of Tulunad. Okay, and yeah, Portuguese, when they came to India with the new route, which was route through sea road, and they wanted to establish their business here, so they wanted to conquer the places. So they tried, but she stopped them for around 40 years. But ultimately, yeah, they were able to take over Ullala and Mangalore, that area, but she prevented them for 40 years. And also, this such a small kingdom against such a mighty Portuguese army. This was a great achievement. Okay, and also just for your information, AATA has an online library to honor Rani Abbakka, and it's named as Rani Abbakka Genada Chavadi. That means it is Rani Abbakka House of Knowledge. Okay, so now let's start with the today's subject. It's human body parts. So now our youngest teacher, Dhyana Chettiar, is going to talk. Okay, Dhyana, can you start?
Hi. So Yana, human body parts the Paatherga. I'll talk about the human body parts. So when I say the word, try to point at it on your body. So first we'll talk about gender. So this is a boy and this is a girl. So in Tulu, we say An for boy. Can you say An?
An.
An. So for girl, we say Ponnu. Can you say Ponnu?
Ponnu.
Okay, so next, this is the kids, so boy and girl. And now we can talk about adults, which is man and woman. So in Tulu, for man, we'll say Anjo. So it's like boy, but Anjo. And for woman, we say Ponjo.
Okay, yeah, it's a we talk about two genders like male and female. So it is man is a boy is Anand, then man is Anjo. So you had a girl there as a Ponnu, and woman is Ponjo. So if you see here, yeah, there are four boxes with 4 colors. So that is just to give the meaning in different language, different scripts. The first one is in English, and second one is in modified Roman script. So that's we're using. That's where all the grammars are being written. So and also in case if you need to refer any of the grammar or the dictionary, the details are there in our group description, WhatsApp group description. In that, you have the links for that. You can just go and check these things. Okay. Okay. So then the second one is in Roman script. I said the third one is in the Kannada script, and the fourth one is in Tulu script. Okay. So that's a man, Anjo, woman, Ponjo. Okay. Mm-hmm. So these are the traditional dress of Tulunad. Okay, we will be going. We are going to talk about this. We are going to talk about more on this later. Okay. Okay. One more question. Do you see any blockage on the screen?
Yes.
Anda.
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 Okay. So I don't know.
Now it's not.
Now it's not there, no? Okay.
It is surgery.
Okay. So it remains for around 6 seconds, I think. Then it disappeared. So I don't know, is there a way to stop that? See, now it is blocking, right?
Aven drag mittu vaipuli.
And mitvaipuli, but undala undachavu.
Writing the mitunda, aven mittu vaipuli.
And okay. Yeah, okay. That's all. We'll keep moving that. Okay. 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 Next.
నాకేనుండా ఆవాజు
Okay, huh.
భాస్కర్ అంకల్
Huh.
కేనుండా
Can be a little louder? Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
First for your head we say Monday. So can you point at your head and say Monday?
Monday.
Yeah.
Next
Can you read that? It's head. It's Monday. Like there is a dot below D. That makes it day. Monday. It's not Monday. Okay, it's Monday. Okay. Okay. So that's Monday. That's in Kannada and Tulu. Okay. So okay. Next
for face we say Mone.
Mone. Okay. It's face. It's Mone. Okay. So the girl is not showing us Mone. She's showing her hair, right? Okay. Next.
For neck we say Kekkulu.
Yeah, there's other word also. So some based on the pronunciation. So kekil is the one. Sometimes people stress on the second letter. They also call it a kekil. And also there's another word is called kantil. So kantil is also, it's basically, kantil is the front part where it's basically the throat part that is called kantil. But generally neck means is the whole part around that. Okay. So, but it's also, the kantil is also used as an alternative word for neck. Okay.
Chest is Tigale. So we can see the boy's chest. The arm is chest, but not the girl. So chest is Tigale.
Yeah. Tigale. Okay, can you guys touch your chest and say Tigale? Chest. Tigale. You know that, right? Okay. Tigale. So when you take oath, then you touch your chest, right? So that is chest. Tigale. Okay. Okay.
Next, we can see your hand. This is Kai.
Kai.
Yes, Kai. Okay. Okay, next.
After Kai, we can see the boy is showing his stomach. That is Banji in Tulu.
Banji.
Yeah, I had wrong pointers, like it was pointing somewhere else for the stomach. My daughter Ansika showed me that it is not the place. So thanks for her to fixing that. She sits with me when we prepare these slides. Okay, so stomach is Banji. So when you are hungry, then you feel hunger inside stomach, right? That is banji. Banjid badavunu. Banjid badapanu. Do you know what is the meaning of badav? I think we studied last time, right?
Hungry. Hungry.
Hungry. Yeah.
Hungry. Hungry.
Hungry. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. You are awesome. Okay. Next.
Now we can see the girl. The ponnu is showing her back. This is berry.
Berry. Berry. Berry. Berry. Berry. Berry.
Don't do that.
Berry. Berry. Okay. So back is berry. You can remember blackberry, but don't use the L, so it becomes backberry. So English to Tulu, you can smoothly translate. Back is berry. Okay.
Next one is your waist is your sonta. So you can see on the T there's a dot. So it's
Sonta. Sonta.
Okay, sonta. Okay, good. Okay, so yeah, if you see the fourth column, that's in the green, where it's supposed to be Tulu script. You have English, Roman, Kannada, and Tulu. But some are still in Kannada. So my Tulu keyboard did not work. So I did not get time to fix it, but I'll fix it for the real stuff when I send it. Okay. So it's only for, you need not worry about that. It's only for the super experts who knows Tulu script. Okay. Okay. Next.
The last one is your leg.
Sorry. Yeah.
So for leg, you say car.
Car.
With a long A.
Car. Okay. So it's a easy word, right? Car. So when you sit on the car, you walk on Tulu car and sit on car, right? So leg is car. Okay. Okay. So can you go over just one more time? Dhyana,
so at the top is Monday. Is your head. Then your face is Mone. Neck is Kekil. Tigale. Head is Kai.
Yeah. Can you all touch, like whenever that word comes, like whenever she says kai, touch the kai.
Show your kai. Then Banji, your stomach. Back is berry. Then waist is sonta. And last, your leg is car. Good job.
Okay, good, awesome. Now you all
Bhaskar
know.
uncle will ask you some questions.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me first show something. Then I will ask them questions. Okay. Not questions. So I need your help to form some sentences. Okay. So next we'll go. Next, let's. Somebody was having something. Okay. Yeah. Now let's try making forming a sentence. Okay. So, do you know who is this person? Any of you?
You. Tiger Woods.
Wow. Awesome. You should attend our AATA 2024. Do you know there is a competition, international competition that AATA conducts every year since last year? So it's for elementary school, middle school, and high school. So those who can answer this without saying anything, you have a good chance of winning a prize, and that has a very attractive prize. Like a high school kid gets $1,000, and a middle school gets $500, and the elementary school gets $250. The winners. So keep this in mind. So next time you can participate too. Okay. This happens generally. After AATA Uchaya, like around November, December. That time, December. Generally, it's in December. Okay. Okay. So let's try to do some exercise. Okay. So I have a sentence here in English. Tiger Wood has cap on his head. This is easy. You all know English, right? So how can we form a sentence? How can we translate this? Okay. So we have the word Tiger Wood, that is the noun, and you have has, cap, on his head, all these things. Okay. So the magic words here are given here. Head. Head is Monday. You already looked at that. That's the first word or the first part of the body you learned. That is Monday. Monday is head, right? You all know that, right? Okay, there's some new word here, cap. In Tulu, cap is called topi. Okay? Topi. Yeah. Topi looks topi. Yeah. Topi feels like a very comfortable word, right? It's topi. Okay? And then on means myth. Okay? So these are the some like helpers words. So can anybody make a sentence?
Tiger Wood.
Tiger Wood. Monday.
Okay. Okay. So
Monday the myth topi undu.
Okay. So this is Tiger Wood na Monday the myth topi undu. So here Tiger Wood na, this na, and here Monday the. Monday means head. Monday the. These are the prepositions. Okay. So we'll talk later when you go to the detailed grammar. Okay. So Tiger Wood na Monday the myth topi undu. Okay. Tiger Wood has cap on his head. Okay. Can you all read this one?
Tiger Wood na Monday the myth topi undu.
Okay.
Tiger Wood na Monday the myth topi undu.
Tiger Wood.
Okay. Okay. You're all awesome. Now Tiger Wood is happy, and he is very, very happy, and he's giving his topi, his hat, to you guys. And now you are wearing that hat on your head. Okay. I have a cap on my head.
What will you say?
Okay. So I think we need some volunteers. Reshma, or can you?
I Siri try malpore. Yanna Monday the myth topi undu.
Awesome.
Monday the myth topi.
Okay. 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 So this is going to be, yeah. Tiger would now I just replace Tiger would now in that. Enna just replaced. So this tiger wood is, you replace tiger wood na with enna. Enna mandeda mittu toppi undu.
Enna mandeda mittu toppi undu. Enna
Mandeda mittu toppi undu. So okay, you are all too smart. Okay, so Monday. So you can, but if you touch your head, there is no toppi. Okay,
Yeah.
it's an imaginary toppi. Okay, you all got a toppi from tiger wood. Okay, that's great. Okay,
Bhaskar, edna mandeta mittu toppi ijji.
Oh, okay. That's
I don't have it.
yes. Okay, so now because we said virtual, so that means we don't have toppi on our head. So then there's no toppi. So only the last word you are going to change. Okay, that will be as Bhattu told. Enna mandeda mittu toppi iji. Iji means no.
Enna mandeda mittu toppi
Okay. 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 So you're all good so far, right? Okay. 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 Next. So we looked at the body parts, like whole body. Now let us see some more parts. We just said head, right? Your head has so many other things that you can see from outside, right? And of course, you have brain inside, and you have so many, maybe so many things that you don't even know all those things. But whatever we see from outside, let's see what all you have on your head. Okay. Itte namana mandeda bagodu enchina pura undu bete bete bagolu. Namana mandedu itna bete bete bagolenu itte tuka. Let us see different parts of parts in our head. Okay. Head, when you say head, it is the part which rests on the neck and above. Okay. So that is head. Okay. So let me move this one here. Okay. So again here that if you see the letters, so the first is in English, then Roman script, then Kannada script, then Tulu script. That's how it is. Okay. If you don't see Tulu script, that's okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. So, okay. So on the top, the first one is hair. Hair is called as kujal.
Kujal.
Can you all touch your hair and then feel the hair? Kujal. Can you all touch your hair and just feel the hair? That is hair. That is kujal. Okay. Hair is kujal. Okay. Gatandate? Did you get it? Kujal.
They know that word, Bhaskar. They know that word. They did the assignment.
Yeah. I know. There are some they like there may be few. They may not know it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Then just below the hair, you have forehead, right? Forehead is called munda. Munda. Can you all touch your forehead and say munda? Munda. Okay. Munda. Okay. Munda. Yes. Okay. So you all know munda. Okay. Next, you have eyebrow. Okay. So that is the one which covers your eyes. It protects from the top. Okay, so it's called kurbu. Kurbu. Okay, kurbu. Can you all feel your kurb? How many kurbus you have? How many kurbu you have? Huh? Two, right? Yes. Yeah. Can you touch both and see kurbu? Okay. Kurbu. Okay. Next is eyelid. Eyelid is called reppe. Reppe. Also, it's called kannada reppe. Eyelid is called as reppe or kannada reppe. Okay. Reppe. Reppe. Okay. Okay. Next, eye. Eye is called as kannu. Kannu. Okay. So you have the N with the dot below, right? It's nu. Kannu. Okay. Pronunciation is kannu. Okay. Can you all touch your eyes and say kannu? Kannu. Okay. Next, how do you?
Ansika said, eyelid is eyelid, so it is more common. Ansika said.
Okay. Okay. Then next is ear. Ear is kebi. Kebi. Okay. Okay. Nose. Nose. Can you touch your nose and say munku? Munku. Okay. Okay. Munku is nose. That's where smell. Okay. Next, how do you crush your apple?
With
Kuli. Tooth. Kuli. It's called kuli. Okay. Kuli. Okay. Kuli. So every day morning you brush your teeth. So it's a kuli. Okay. Okay. Next, cheek. Cheek is called keppe. Keppe. Okay. Keppe. Okay. Then mouth. Mouth you all may be knowing already, right? Bai. So you eat. Bai. Bayat.
Nana 15 minutes undu.
Bye. Okay. So next. Okay. Next, tongue. Tongue is nalai. Okay. Okay. Nalai. Okay. Next is chin. Chin is called gadda. Okay. So also gadda. Okay. When you grow, like if people are having, they have beard is also called gadda. Okay. So it's gadda, it's chin. Okay. So did you miss anything? Yeah.
Gadda
where girls apply lipstick.
Can't see.
Lip. Okay. Lip. Bimma. Okay. Bimma. Okay. So, okay, I guess you're all experts now. Okay, let me start here. You touch and feel. Okay. Munda. Munda is forehead. Okay. Then kurbu, eyebrow. Then reppe. Then kannu. Kebi. Munku. Kuli. Keppe. Bai. Nalai. Gadda. Bimma.
Bimma.
Okay. We missed one. That is Kujal. What is Kujal?
Hair.
Hair. Okay. Good job. Okay. Hair. Okay. So now let's try making a sentence. We know so many body parts now. Let's try to make a sentence. Okay. Let's see. What are these?
Eyes.
Kannu. Okay. Kannu. Okay. So I have a sentence here called I have two beautiful eyes. Okay. So there's some helping words here.
Volunteers board, Bhaskar?
And yeah, Reshma, can you?
Okay, yeah. Ishan, do you want to go ahead and form sentence? Ishan ullare?
Yeah, all the magic words are here. Here, it's listed here in the blue, that light blue box. Okay. The words in the blue, red ink, they are all Tulu words. Ink. Okay. Reshma, was that right?
Atar ink, red, porluda, kannulu, ulla.
Yeah. So here it says eyes. Kannu is one eye. His eye is kannu. Eyes are kannulu. It's a plural. Okay. So in Tulu, ink, red, porluda. Okay, porluda, kannulu, ulla. Okay, in case just somebody requested for permission for recording, but we are recording this and we'll be sharing after the class. Okay, you don't need to worry about the recording. Okay.
Shouldn't it be under?
Okay. Ink, red, porluda, kannulu, ulla. Okay. Okay. Next, see some more body parts. Okay. So we saw now. First, we are going deep and deep into the body parts. First, we saw the whole body, like Dhyana taught us the different parts, and then we looked at the head, and now look at the other main body parts. So let's look at the hand. Okay. Okay. So shoulder. Shoulder is called bhuja. Also called as pugel. Actually, it's called as bhuja, or it's also called as pugel. Okay.
Pugel.
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 Okay. Then arm. Arm, it's called as kadekai. Called as kadekai. Okay. Then elbow is called murangai. Can you bend and see your hand? Elbow. Can you point at your elbows and say murangai? Okay. Then lower arm. It's also called as kodikai. Okay. Then the wrist is called as manigant. Manigant. Okay. So this is manigant. Yeah, manigant is used for both hand as well as leg also. Okay. Ankle is also called as Manigantu. They call us Karda Manigantu or then the Kaita Manigantu, like that. Okay. Okay. So wrist is Manigantu. Okay. Then palm. Palm is Angai. Angai. Yeah. Can you rub your palm and say Angai? Angai. Okay. So there's all the back of the Angai is also called as Tat. Okay. Also Kaita Tat. Okay. So these are the different parts of the hand. Okay. So now, how do you hold things? With what?
Fingers.
Fingers, right? So let's see how many fingers we have.
Five.
Yes, 5 in each hand. Okay. Okay. So the thumb is called Kombabiril. Okay. One common word is called Biril. Biril means finger. Okay. Biril. So thumb is called Kombabiril. Kombabiril. Can you take your thumb, say Kombabiril? Okay. Then so next is the index finger. So index finger, it's called Tojaunabiril. Index is also called as pointing finger, right? Pointing finger or index finger. Tojaunabiril. Okay. Pointing index. Okay? Biril. Okay. Then you all know this one. This is Nadubiril. That is middle finger. Nadubiril. Okay. Nadubiril. Okay. Okay. Then next we have ring finger. Ungila Biril. Ungila Biril. Okay. Ungila Biril. Ungila means ring in Tulu. Okay. Do you know what is the next one?
Pinky.
Pinky. Okay. It's also called as little finger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kinkuna Birella.
Yeah, it's called Kinkuna Biril. It's also called as Yelle Biril.
Yeah,
little finger, Yelle Biril. Also Kinkuna Biril.
That is Kinni Birel, Bhaskar.
Yeah. Kinni Biril Kinni Biril and Kinkuna Biril.
Kinni Birel.
Yeah. Kinni Biril or Kinkuna Biril. Okay. Okay. So these are the parts of the hand. Okay. So let's start with Bhuja or the Pugel. Okay. Yeah. Bhuja or Pugel, that is shoulder. Then Kadekai, that's arm. Then Murangai, Kodikai, Manigand, Angai, Tat, Kombabiril, Tojaunabiril, Nadubiril, Ungilabiril, Kinkunabiril or Kinyabiril or Kinnibiril or Yellabiril. Okay, so those are all in the same. Okay. Okay, so we will have a lot of homework on these. Okay. So now you all know about the hand, right? Okay.
Yes.
Next. Okay, let us try forming some sentence. Okay. Okay. What is this?
Arms.
Arms, right? Okay.
Long arms.
So
muscles.
okay. arm. Okay, let's say there's a sentence in English. My dad has strong arms. Okay, so yeah, this has some magic words like enna, kai, pappa, undu, da. You use da in many places. That is a preposition. Okay, so this is enna pappada gattida kai undu.
Inna
Okay.
papada gatita
Okay, so this is an example. So let's go for yeah. Go for other part, leg. Okay. Okay, leg. Okay, let's see the main parts in the leg. So this is thigh. Thigh is called potte. It's also called karda potte. Okay. Then knee is called murampu. Murampu. Okay, can you all say murampu? Okay, it's also called as murampu the gunt for the joint. For joint is also called as, it's called murampu or the gunt. Okay. Then pada. Pada, foot. Yeah, foot is pada. Okay. So then let's see. Toe. Toe is called biril. So one common one difference between English and Tulu is we call both the fingers as well as the toes, they call it as biril in Tulu. Okay, to differentiate between those two, generally we use kai biril or karda biril, like that. Okay. Okay. So
okay, Pete. Kai to biril biril is the same fingers.
Yeah, in Tulu. Okay. So next, nail. Nail is called uguru.
Uguru.
Again, like uguru is nail. It may be for the finger or the toe. Same thing. Same. Okay. Okay. Next, big toe. Komba birelu. Okay. Komba birelu. Then this is index toe, which is tojauna birelu. Again, same as in same notation, same words that you use for hand. Okay, nadu birelu. Then ungila birelu. The pinky. Okay, is kinkona birelu or kinya birelu. Okay. Okay. So let's okay. Time is up.
It's 5 o'clock now.
Yeah, we have like 75 minutes. So let's see. Okay, let's wind up quickly. Okay, so now we all know these words are parts of human body. Okay, so let's do one exercise. I'll just do this one. Okay, try forming sentence based on what we learned. Okay, so I walk on my feet. Okay, I walk on my feet. So the words are enna.
Sorry, there is some crosstalk. We can't hear.
Oh, is it? I don't know. Is that? Can you mute?
You said
Yeah, okay. Reshma, can you see who is, or Shreevalli, who is talking? Can you just
Yes,
mute them?
yes. Trying to find.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Let me give this one because we are running out of time. Okay. Yan enna karadu nadapuve. Yan enna karadu nadapuve. I walk on my feet. Okay. 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 Next. Okay. Oh, this is very interesting. Okay. This is one more exercise. Okay. I'll just show these so that you can refer and do as a homework. Okay. So there's a sentence called "My mom's nail polish is red." Okay. So all the words. Okay. Here have enna. Uguru, you already know. You heard about uguru means nail. Amma, you already know. Polish, menkunu or menchin panperu. Okay. So then the color red is kemp. Okay. So now my mom's nail polish is red. Yeah. Reshma, can we have some volunteers?
Guru.
వివానుల్లారే వివాన్
Bhaskar ಅಣ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಸುಮಾರು ಉಂಡ
I think we'll just stop at the body parts.
Yes, it's better because more than
yeah, maybe another 5 minutes will be taken. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So let me give the answer for this. Enna ammana uguru menchi kemp. Uguru menchi or uguru menchi, or it's also called polish or sign. Or okay. Okay. Next. Okay. So I think we can stop this. So we have one more section called clothes. Maybe we'll do it.
Yeah, we can do
time,
that
okay?
in next class. Yes.
Yeah. So okay. Then next, let me go to.
Let me leave.
Just a second. So we have a lot of things. Let me end this.
Just Bhaskar ಅಣ್ಣ, just tell them. Then we will cover that in the assignment.
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah. Just go through that.
Yeah.
Then it's yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I think this is too much for I think assignment. Just assignment. We'll make it in the next class. I think. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we will let them. Okay. So huh? Yeah, we will have. Yeah, we will give you the assignments, homework, and please do it every day and record it and submit it as usual. And we will try to give it as early possible on that day, or maybe we'll prepare and maybe yeah, on daily basis we'll send it. So record and submit. Okay. Okay, and I'll be sharing the slides. And if you want like know any other details, the more details are here. Like if you want to see how they are in like how our different body parts are like named and all. Okay. So okay, so with that we are concluding this. And you have any questions? Irregular inchinala prashne unde. Do you guys have any questions? Do you need any help?
I have one.
Okay, then solmelu ellanji tikkuga. Solmelu ellanji tikkuga. Ellanji means any day after tomorrow. Okay. Ella is tomorrow.
Barpuna class tikkuga. Barpuna class coming class. Barpuna class tikkuga. Okay.
Niklega maatheregla bayada eddepulu. Wishing you all a happy evening. Okay. Bayada eddepulu.
Very good. Okay. Everyone are submitting. That is very good. Everyone is submitting their assignment.
Okay.
Please don't forget to submit. Okay. Yes. Please submit your assignment. Okay.
Okay. So we are ending the class officially. But if you want to hang on and discuss, talk, you're more than welcome. Okay. And if whoever remains till the end, they will get goli bhaji and cha. Okay. Or if you need those also, we will serve. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Whatever the sweet you want, you will get it.
Yeah.
Where Malpuer?
Oh,
Dhyana.
Uncle, we will send you all virtual snacks. Okay.
Okay, Marcelo. Bye.
Bye.
Submit your homework. Okay, Marcelo. I didn't see your homework recently. He left, I think.
Okay.
I poet.
And Samaksha yer kuldini, Samakshatta kuldini.
Okay.
Bye.
Hi.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, Shivam.
Homework monthly. Bye.
Yeah. Homework.
Bye.
Homework mother purchi.
Bye, Shreevalli aunty.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Homework monthly.
Bye, Shivam. Bye.
Sorry. Bye. Bhaskar na like and Bhaskar na Dhyana. Edden maga.
Dhyana like and okay.
Very at the class. I love the engaging. The kids were enthusiastic. Eighth contribution must be standing.
Okay. Naman charted da adem kusa.
Charted Anshika nanchinapudu.
I've answer for a Malton.
Charted papadi chat panipuri. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Pagana namala poya.
Okay, tikkuga. Bye.
Okay, okay. Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Americade onji Tulu Kuta Bodi Tinde. Americade onji Tulu Kuta Bodi Tinde. Akhila America